Hey everybody, Nick here, and today, let's do a little bit of disassembly on this little guy. This is the Chris Reeve Knives Monday here. Very interesting little knife. I'm a big fan of it, honestly. I've got a review up originally, but the thing is, then I got this one from my viewers, and really? Okay, come on, neighbors. You can't be playing your music this loud. This is ridiculous. I'm trying over here. I'm filming over here, people. Come on. I'm trying to do a disassembly, this beautiful freaking knife. And you're just playing your music. Oh, come on, now there's a bass line. Are you freaking kidding me? People. See, this is why you can't live in a freaking apartment. I'm so freaking tired of all this noise. Oh, what the hell? You can't beat them? Join them.
I said a hip hop, the hippie to the hip hip hoppy. You don't stop the rockin' to the bang bang boogie. Say up jump the boogie to the rhythm of the boogie to beat. Now this here gear I will not test. No, I'm rapping to the beat. And me, YouTube, and waving hands are gonna try to move your feet. You see, I am your Nick Shabazz, and I'd like to say hello to the gems, to the junk, the terrible gear, to my viewers there at home. But first I gotta bang bang the boogie to the woogie, say up jump the boogie to the bang bang boogie. I'll talk, I won't stop, talk the gems that'll make your wallet drop. Now so far you've heard my voice, and I'm sorry about that, folks, cause remaining on the mic is good Sir Nick, and this time I'm a-going for broke. Check it out, I'm the Jackass, who is not a brilliant man. See, I go by the code of the Doctor of the Nick, and I'll tell you why that's the plan. When the day job's done, I got a channel to run, so the gear's picked carefully. I got less clothes than a fashion blogger should, but I'm on top of the EDC. I got high-end knives, pens, bags, and lights, and a watch problem set me back. I got a Chris Reeve knives, Shabazz, and plenty of gear that's whack. So after work, I gotta be that jerk, putting bad gear against the wall. Then boom, here's me with a Batman mask, filming videos for you all. Tempting checkbooks, credit cards, more money than you thought you would ever spend. But I wouldn't give Z Hunter or a subpar cutter recommendation or endorsement again. Everybody go knives, pens, watches. What you gonna carry today? Someone get some fly gear, gonna break it down and put it on a public display. Everybody go knives, pens, watches, EDC gear. You see, if your tool starts acting up, then get yourself a gem. Hey Patreon, am I mellow? Thanks to you, this is what I'm gonna do. Griping on and on and on and on. Reviews don't stop until the break of dawn. I said R-A-N-D-O-M, Jack to the A-S-S. I said I go by the name of Nick Shabazz, and it's daily gear that I assess. Well, my name is known all over the world by all the young male viewers and a very few girls. I'm going down in history as the worst punsmith that ever could be. I'm reviewing the highs, reviewing the lows. When the ugly starts, you'll see it blow. Start emptying carts from the wish list, delete. Searching for gems before you exit your seat, then bam, you start doing the deed. I said damn. Transaction complete. You throw your hands high in the air. You're sleeping on the couch once the bill is there, but you're rocking your new gear without a care, with the Nick at fault for the whole affair. Now, I'm not as hardcore as the rest of you folks, not jumping out of planes and felon-law jokes. I got little hands and a Batman disguise, and of course I am biased towards a nice small size, griping on and on and on. Reviews don't stop until the break of dawn, droning on and on, like a heart ready to pop, dibby, pop the pop. You don't dare stop, just subscribe, y'all. I give you what I got.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Well, so where was that screwdriver?